Imagine a YouTube channel where the star is a charming, witty character who never shows his face. Instead, he dazzles with a perfect blend of humor and wisdom, all delivered in a silky, synthesized voice. Meet Mr. Byte, the faceless wonder created entirely by AI, captivating millions while his creator remains a complete mystery. Isn't that the dream of every introverted tech whiz? This isn't a far-fetched scenario anymore. With the rise of AI and digital content creation, anyone can become a YouTube sensation without ever stepping in front of a camera. It's a golden era for the camera-shy and the privacy-loving souls who still want a slice of the YouTube pie. The character of Mr. Byte represents a new wave of content creators who utilize AI tools to produce engaging videos. This approach not only preserves their anonymity, but also opens up a realm of creativity that is bound only by imagination, not by personal charisma or camera presence. AI in content creation is like having a Swiss Army knife that's always sprouting new tools. From scripting to voiceovers and even video editing, AI applications can handle almost every aspect of video production. This tech isn't just about cutting corners. It's about creating content that might otherwise never see the light of day. What's truly revolutionary is how accessible these tools have become. A decade ago, creating a high-quality video required expensive equipment and specialized skills. Today, AI platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces that make video production as easy as piecing together a PowerPoint presentation. This democratization of content creation means more voices can be heard, without showing their faces. Moreover, AI doesn't just make it easy, it makes it fast. What used to take days can now be accomplished in hours. This speed enables creators to keep up with the frenetic pace of online video consumption, all while maintaining a life outside the YouTube grind. The beauty of AI-driven YouTube channels lies in their appeal to the introverted genius. No need to worry about perfect lighting, no stress about looking good on camera, and absolutely no need to get out of your pajamas. This is the introvert's dream platform, where the content speaks louder than the creator's physical presence. Consider the possibilities: animated characters, voice synthesizers, and virtual landscapes, all crafted by AI, delivering content that's both informative and entertaining. These tools allow creators to build a unique brand identity without ever revealing their own identity. It's the ultimate form of artistic expression for the privacy-conscious. Furthermore, this approach can protect creators from some of the darker sides of fame. Online harassment and privacy invasions are real concerns that can be mitigated when creators remain faceless. This not only protects individuals but also encourages a focus on content quality and innovation. Let's talk turkey, or should I say YouTube money. AI-driven channels can be surprisingly lucrative. With AI handling the heavy lifting, creators can focus on generating ideas and overseeing production, potentially leading to a higher volume of content and consequently, more ad revenue and sponsorship deals. AI also helps in optimizing content for SEO and tailoring videos to audience preferences, which can significantly boost viewership numbers and engagement rates. These metrics are critical for attracting advertisers looking for effective platforms for their promotions. Besides, the initial investment in AI tools can quickly pay off as these channels grow. Without the need for a full production team or high-end studio setups, overhead costs are lower, making it easier to turn a profit. This financial model is particularly appealing to newcomers who might be intimidated by the traditional costs of video production. As we look to the horizon, the potential for AI in entertainment only expands. Imagine AI-driven channels that not only produce content, but also interact with viewers in real time, adapting their programming based on audience reactions. The line between creator and creation might blur, leading to a new kind of entertainment experience. While some might worry about the implications of such technology, there's also a humorous side to consider. Could the next big YouTube celebrity be a virtual cat with the sass of a stand-up comedian and the voice of an opera singer? With AI, the sky's the limit. In conclusion, the faceless YouTube revolution is not just about anonymity, it's about unleashing creativity in ways we've only begun to explore. So whether you're an aspiring creator or just a curious spectator, keep your eyes peeled. Or maybe just your screens on. The future is here, and it's hilariously faceless.